Welcome to my quick tutorial of optical disk drive to SSD. I have my MSI laptop, and unfortunately I have only like 230 something GB. It's fast, but the memory is not enough. So I went to eBay and bought something they called hard drive or caddy or SSD caddy to replace your DVD or Blu-ray drive, disk drive. So I bought it for like $8 Canadian plus shipping, so I spent like $15 Canadian. It's cheap and easy to install. So as you can see, I ordered last November, and then I received, I think, in January. You have to make sure that your model of your laptop and the caddy is matched, so you can check your laptop what model it is, and then check everything. It seems matched, so I ordered in eBay. And then you can see is MSI GE62 7 Apache. So this is the box that I received, a little bit small, so it's fine. So let's open and unbox the hard drive disk or disk drive tray caddy, and we're going to install it on the laptop. The package consists with the caddy and the molding and the small screwdriver. Nothing is special. Okay, the Phillips screwdriver. You can open the laptop later on. So this is the SSD that I bought for $50. It's like 960 GB. You can install it in the caddy, but first you have to remove the 4 screw or loosen up. There's like 4 screws there. Then carefully mount the SSD. Carefully push until you hear the lock or click, and then tighten the bracket or the screw. There, okay. After you tighten it, double check if it is tight or not. Then set it aside. Now we're going to open the disk drive. There's a latch or there's a lock there, the one screw that's holding the disk drive. You have to loosen up there, remove the screw. There's only one screw to secure the disk drive. Pull the disk drive carefully. Now you can remove the plastic side molding. Carefully pry the molding on the side. Just be careful, don't break the latches or the lock. Then remove the small bracket that's holding the disk drive. There's 2 screws there. Then transfer it to a SSD caddy. And now you can insert it back to the laptop. But first you have to put the side molding. There you go. Now gently push it back to the laptop. And then secure it by putting the 1 screw. And there, you're done. That's how easy to replace the optical drive to a SSD. You can put 2 terabyte or 4 terabyte. Now we can check. Now I have drive D. Before I only have 1 drive C. So you can check the properties, so you can see how many GB. And hover to PC, you can see there is 2 drive, 2 memory drive there, this C and this D. Thank you, and I hope you learned something.